In this video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome. What you want to do first is to click on these three dots here at the top right corner. Scroll down to Help. Now while here, click on About Google Chrome. Now once you click, you'll be brought into this page here. As you can see, mine is already updated. It says Chrome is up to date. For yours, if it's not updated, once you're here, Chrome will update it automatically. Now once that is done, you can be rest assured that your Google Chrome has been updated. Now for some of you who are like me, who like to do things the short way or follow the shortcut, there's a link here you can just enter. Take the link, come back to your browser, just on the search bar, enter the URL, and you'll still be redirected into this page. It's that simple and straightforward. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing, like and share as well.